The Union of South Africa is the train which was pulling it, and there's a diesel behind it which will be pulling it on the way back. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at the lovely smoke. Oh yes. Mm. Yep. Okay. Another train coming up.
That was a well unusual train, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You hadn't even seen that one before.
No. No. No, I've never come across it or videoed it, so it'll be nice.
Now you are.
Sure have.
No one coming.
Is there? Yes, Gunter Spalding.